Safety Toolbox Talk number 290. Air Compressor Safety and Inspection Checklist. 1. Inspect air compressor for any signs of air leaks, especially around fittings, hoses, and valves. 2. The physical condition of the compressor tank should be in good condition and must be certified by a third party. Inspection, TPI, agency. 3. The piston must be in good condition and free from any signs of damage or excessive wear. 4. Motor should be in good and working condition. 5. The pressure gauge must be in proper working condition and free from any defects or damage. 6. The whip arrestor must be in good condition and fully functional. 7. The power cable must be free from defects, and the connection should be made through an industrial-grade plug. 8. Compressor should be grounded as per IS 3043:1987. 9. All joints must be properly tightened to ensure secure and safe operation. 10. The rotating parts must be securely covered with a fixed guard to ensure safety during operation. 11. All other valves must be free from defects and in proper working condition. 12. The safety valve should be calibrated at regular intervals to ensure accurate and reliable operation. 13. Ensure air produced is clean and dry, using proper filtration systems to prevent moisture or contaminants from reaching tools or equipment. 14. Ensure the compressor is operating within the recommended temperature range to avoid overheating. 15. Test the emergency stop function to ensure it works properly in case of an emergency. Thank you.